virtual world now, and so learning how to communicate and take advantage of these opportunities to connect is certainly important and going to continue to be part of the future as we go on here. So personally, I'm very excited about the ability to attend conferences virtually. I really encourage all of you to take advantage of this opportunity and learn how to be experts at the networking and virtual opportunities that this provides, and continue on and if anything, be more productive by being masters of the virtual conference and event attendance. So very much hope to virtually see you at this upcoming Pittcon event.